The main reason is that it can greatly save your time and effort. After testing by multiple UX designers, the efficiency of using a great widget library is 10 times higher than not using it. The current problems with Axure's built-in widget libraries are: they lack of reusable widgets. Axure's built-in widget libraries have very few widgets and can only meet the most basic design requirements. If you want to create more advanced widgets, it will take a lot of time and effort. Axure's interactions are complex and difficult to learn. If you want to design such a high-fidelity prototype, then it will take a lot of time. It is difficult to form a consistent UI style, especially in collaborative projects where each person's design style are different. A widget library created by a designer for a certain project is only applicable to that project and scenario, and not to other projects and scenarios. The advantages of the Axure Boutique widget libraries are: the widgets are made in grouping. You can easily choose the corresponding widgets with a mouse click or multiple clicks, and then make modifications to them. During the process of making widgets, we considered the scenarios with the highest frequency of use, so they are universal widgets. Most widgets are made using the system's built-in shapes, so they are vector graphics that do not distort when you resize them. When all team members use the same set of widgets, it ensures consistency in the overall project style. All widgets are carefully crafted high-fidelity interactive widgets. Using them, you can combine UI and UX faster and better than ever. Using Axure Boutique's widget library is very easy. Import the Axure library. Right-click on the Axure library file and choose Open with Axure RP 10. To use, search for the widget and then drag and drop it to the canvas. You can see that the dragged-in widget is a framework that comes with many built-in widgets. Modify them. Then drag in more widgets. Very efficient and fast. You can also use the library for collaborative design. First, you need to purchase an agency or enterprise license for a library. The agency license can be used by up to 5 people. The enterprise license does not limit the number. Upload the library to AxureCloud. Invite others to join your workspace. Then, all teammates can select and use the same widget library. Greatly improve the efficiency of the whole team.